What if I told you I cancelled my gym membership and I'm in the best shape of my life? No fancy machines, no hour-long sessions, no excuses, just 3 exercises. That's it. If you've been spending 5 days a week at the gym, grinding through 20 different exercises and still not seeing results, this video is going to change everything for you. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll never look at working out the same way again. A year ago, I was doing everything right. 5 days a week, chest day, leg day, back day, you name it. An hour minimum each session. I was exhausted, I was frustrated, and honestly, I wasn't progressing. Then I hit a wall. Life got busy. I had maybe 25 minutes a day, 3 times a week. I had to strip everything back. And weirdly, that's when things actually started working. My strength went up. My body composition improved. I started sleeping better. Less was genuinely more. And it all came down to 3 movements that hit everything. Compound, functional, brutal in the best way. Exercise number 1, the deadlift. This is the king. 1 movement, hamstrings, glutes, back, core, grip, all firing at once. If you only did deadlifts for the rest of your life, your body would still be elite. Start with just your body weight. Learn the hinge, then load it up. 3 sets of 5, twice a week. That's your foundation. Exercise number 2, the push-up. Yes, seriously, I know what you're thinking. That's too basic. But are you doing them with perfect form? Slow, eccentric, full range, weighted? Most people aren't. The push-up is a full upper body pressing movement that also builds core stability. Do 4 sets to failure with 2-second lowering. You'll feel it tomorrow, I promise. Exercise number 3, the Bulgarian split squat. This one's the secret weapon. 1 leg at a time. Forces balance, blasts your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, and exposes every weakness in your movement pattern. It humbles beginners and respects veterans. Body weight first, then add dumbbells. 3 sets of 8 per leg. You'll hate me, then you'll thank me. Now here's the thing. I'm not saying go live in the gym is wrong. If you love it, keep going. But if you're time poor, overwhelmed, or just not seeing results despite doing too much, simplify. These 3 exercises, done with consistency and progressive overload, will outperform a bloated 20 exercise program every single time. Try this for 30 days and come back and tell me I'm wrong. Drop a comment below. What's your current workout routine? I genuinely want to know. And if this hit different for you, share it with someone who's been overcomplicating their fitness. That share takes 2 seconds, and it could honestly change their entire approach. 3 exercises: deadlift, push-up, Bulgarian split squat. Write them down, start tomorrow. And remember, it's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters. I'll see you in the next one.